boys just one up in one another each time out. I think they have a lot to say after last week. They did not have the kind of weekend that they were hoping for in Atlanta. This could change this weekend.
Show us what you were telling us about Kurt Busch here.
Well, I mean, here you see what they're doing with their side skirt. You know, that it's kind of flared out on the inside, and that's because the bumps are so severe. But what I see that you're trying to seal that right side skirt, and you can see just a slight gap at the bottom of that skirt. I'm talking about this area. Right. Yeah, let me.
And there it's sealed. Right there.
You can see as he goes in the corner, it's sealed. And then I'm looking at this. Look at. Look at this fender here. So that tire is really high up in there, and so they're really soft, it looks to me like, to get the skirt sealed up and really get the back of this car down, and it's really squashed into the racetrack. And I noticed even when he came off the corner and he was down the straightaway, you could see the back of the car really down.
Yeah, well, what it does is,
this is such a great shot. Look at this opening here. Right there, that's such an important thing to see how much of a gap that we see between the right rear tire and that fender, because you can see this car's yawed out. And so all the things that are happening around this side of the car are crucial to the speed of the car. Side force, down force, sealing the air off. That's what's creating all the speed that these guys are seeing.
Hey guys, Kurt Busch is notorious for this. Remember a couple of years ago at Auto Club Speedway, they qualified that way. He tried to race it that way, driving that 78 car, and spun out on the straightaway.
Yeah, like in the 7th or 8th lap of the race. As soon as somebody got